Isha, today we'll learn about how to do algebra or by multiplying various numbers. It's lovely. It's really beautiful numbers. So to get an idea, for an example, if I say 2a times b, what you need to do to make it times is very simple. Just 2a and b. That's it. That's your answer. Well done. Now, if it's 2a times y, very simple. The answer is 2a and y. Got it? So if someone gives you x times y, the answer will be xy. Got it? Very simple. If someone says 2a times 2b, the answer will be 2 times 2 is 4. So these two, okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Then simple a and b. I mean, you need to write them together though. Okay, so that means a and b. If someone gives the number 2a times 2c times 2b, so the way you're going to do is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Got it? So it's 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Then normally it's A, C, B over here. But normally what you do, you write it based on the letter comes forward. So instead of writing A, C, B, you'll be writing A, B, C. Okay? Right. So now if someone gives a number, 4A times 3, let's say Y, times 2B. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So you just simply times, okay? Then it's A first, then B second, and Y last. Got it? So simple math. I love this math. Right, now let's do some tricky thing. So the tricky thing will be what about if someone gives you, let's say 2x plus, times 2x. Right, now this is getting interesting. If you get a number like this, you need to remember, right? So before, if you have a look beforehand, all the letters are different, so that's why you just wrote down a simple letter. But if you have similar letters, then first of all you'll be doing simple. 2 times 2 is 4. That goes here straight away. But then you need to remember, if there is no after the letter, if there is no number, there is actually 1 and 1 here. Okay, remember there is 1 and 1 here, which is hidden. You just need to think of that. So if there's nothing written, so 1, so what do you do? There's 1 here, 1 here. You just need to plus them. So 4x will be x, and at the top of the 1 plus 1 is 2. So it's 4x square. I know it might be confusing, so let's do one more. Let's say 3x times, or let's put more, 3x square times 4x square. So what do? You do 3 times 4 is 12. Then x, this is 2. So at the top of them is 2, like this 2 and this 2. You need to add them together. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So it should be that. Okay. So now let's do one more. Let's say 2x3. Okay, I think I forgot how does it call, but I'll find it out later. And let's say 8x4. So how do you do it? Very simple. 2 and 8. You need to multiply. So 8 times 2 is 16. Then x and x, you just need to write down x, but then 3 plus 4 is 7. See how beautiful that is? So now, let's say if I say 4x square times 2y square. What are you going to do? Very simple. 4 and 2 is 8. Then look, this doesn't match, so you just simply write down whatever it is there. Okay, so if someone say 4x square times 2b square times 3a square. What you do? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So if they are a number, you just multiply them first. Then which one is first? A is first, then B, then X. So you need to write down A square, B square, X square. Clear? Now if we get into a bit more, if we say 2x square times 3y, so that's not square, 2x3, 3y square times 4x3. Okay? Or instead of 3, let's 7, just to make it okay. So what do you do first? 2, 3, 4, they are same. So 2 times 2 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. Right, now look, x and x, they matches. So it's x, 3 plus 7 is 10, and y doesn't match, whatever is there. Just write it like that. Clear, Isha? This is a beautiful math. Okay, so this is enough for today. Just practice a bit more, then we'll check.